Hello and welcome to Lakshya tutorial, and my name is Abhishek Gupta, and today we are going to discuss about the ICSE Class 10 Geography Syllabus that is coming for the year 2021. And for that, we have called a very experienced teacher and a renowned teacher, and her name is Sudipta Gupta, and she is having more than 30 plus years, exactly 32 years of experience. So let's welcome Sudipta Gupta, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Abhishek. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to discuss ICSE 2021 Geography Syllabus. In this unprecedented situation, the students and teachers are adapting online classes to keep alive the teaching learning process. Keeping in mind this adverse situation, and the loss of instruction hours, ICSE Council has reduced the syllabus for all the subjects. So today I shall be discussing the syllabus of geography for the candidates who will be appearing in the year 2021.
Okay,
The geography question paper of 80 marks. 20 marks is project that is known to all of you. Part 1 is the compulsory section with 30 marks. Question number 1 is on interpretation of topographical maps. There are two sheets which you are supposed to interpret, 45D by 7 and 45D by 10. Here, one subtopic has been reduced. That is the identification of landforms based or marked by contours. Here, valley, ridge, water divide, escarpment are excluded. You will be identifying only steep slope, gentle slope, and hills. This is the only change in the topographical map of 20 marks. Next, I go to question number 2. Here you have map of India where you have to mark, locate, and level. Here the excluded part, there are few exclusions. Just be careful and note it down. The mountains, in mountains you have Garo, Hasi, Jaintia hills, that is in the northeastern region. Then Mount Kanchenjunga, Nathula Pass. In rivers you have Ravi, Bias, Chenab, Gandak, and Kosi. In water bodies you have Andaman Sea. And in direction of wind, western disturbance is omitted. This is the change in the map work. Next, we move on to the part 2 section, where you have 50 marks. You have to answer 5 questions. 9 questions will be given. Out of that, you have to answer 5. There is a lot of choice. And each question is of 10 marks. Here, like chapters on climate, soil, natural vegetation, water resources, minerals, there is no change. No change. Energy resources and mineral resources, they come under one chapter, one unit rather, they come under one unit. Here, energy resources, in conventional sources of energy, natural gas, hydropower are omitted. You will be studying only coal and petroleum. River Valley project, both the projects are excluded. That is Hirakut and Vakranangal. Both the projects are excluded. Then you have the non-conventional sources of energy. Here, tidal, geothermal energy are excluded. Tidal and geothermal energy are excluded. Next, we move on to agriculture. Under this unit, you have 3 chapters. Here, in the first chapter, types of farming is excluded. And the rest are okay, there is no change. Now, next you have manufacturing industries. Under this, you have 2 chapters, agro-based industry and mineral-based industry. In agro-based industry, you have sugarcane and textile industry. Under textile industry, you have cotton and silk. Now, silk is omitted. You have only sugarcane and cotton. In mineral-based industries, you have Iron and steel industry, under that few steel plants are mentioned. Here you omit Villi steel plant. So these are the changes. Then you have two more chapters to study. That is the transport and waste management. There is no change. So the changes which have been prescribed by ICSE Council, I have mentioned for you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing this valuable information with all the students, those who are watching this video. I hope that this might help all those students to understand that what has been removed from the class 10 syllabus. But ma'am, I want to ask you one question, ma'am, that is this really the 25% that the ICC Council has already announced? What do you feel, ma'am?
Actually, the subject is social studies. It includes both history and geography.
Yeah.
So if you consider geography, it is around 15 to 20% has been reduced. And there
Okay.
has been reduction in history also.
So, ma'am, what you want to say about the new pattern that would be applicable because some changes has already been done in the ICSE examination. So, whether the question weightage of the chapters will definitely change. What you want to say about this?
No change. What has been reduced, that is very small portion.
Okay.
Each
Thank.
chapter, or not all the chapters, from few chapters it has been reduced, and the portions are very small portions. So there won't be any change in the question pattern, neither on the marking scheme.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing such valuable information. I will be asking you, ma'am, for sharing some tips before the examination that is not today, not now, but in the coming future, so that the students will understand that how they should prepare themselves for appearing the ICSE board examination for the geography syllabus. I hope, ma'am, you will be there for all the students out
Yes,
there.
yes. Of course. Thank you, Abhishek. I'll be very happy, and it will be my pleasure to help the children. I'm always there to help the students.
Thank you, ma'am, for the kind gesture of yours. I hope all the students have understood what ma'am has already said and you have noted down in some copy with pen and paper. So that's it for today. We will be back in another video. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, goodbye.